If you can say words like watashi and pen, but you cannot say my pen or Japanese books, this lesson is for you. In the next few minutes, you will master one particle that shows possession and connect to noun in natural Japanese. I'm Hassan from Lingo Asia, and in this lesson, we will unlock the magic of particle no. Let's get started. Here's the core idea. In Japanese, no connect to nouns. The second noun is the main thing. The first noun give the detail. So we have noun 1, no, noun 2. Detail, no, main thing. In English, we often flip this around and it becomes confusing. We say Japanese teacher, but in Japanese, the pattern is teacher of English, teacher of Japanese, and so on. Japanese is much more consistent. Once you feel this pattern, you can build so many phrases on your own. Let's start with the easiest use. Possession, ownership. Watashi no pen, my pen. Watashi means I, pen is pen. No is the glue. Watashi no pen means my pen. Another one, Tanaka-san no kabang. Tanaka-san is Tanaka. Kabang is a bag. Tanaka-san no kabang means Tanaka's bag. This is simple, but here is where it becomes powerful. With no, you can turn noun into a description. It's work almost like an adjective. Nihon no kuruma, Japanese car. Japan no car, a car related to Japan. Another example, Eigo no sensei, English teacher. Eigo is English, sensei is a teacher. You don't need a separate word for English speaking. You just connect the noun with no, Eigo no sensei. So the pattern is doing two jobs at once. It can show position, my pen, his bag, and it can also show a description. Japanese car, English teacher, company phone, school friend, all with one simple particle. Now let's go one step deeper. No can also rename or specify who or what you are talking about. This is like putting a label in front of a name. Tomodachi no Hassan, friend no Hassan, my friend Hassan. Tomodachi is my friend, Hassan is the name. The phrase becomes my friend Hassan. Tokyo no eki, Tokyo station. Tokyo is the city, eki is a station. Tokyo no eki, the station is related to Tokyo. All of these are nominal pattern. They are noun block. Japanese love to stack noun block. English love to throw in verb everywhere, but Japanese often prefer to build a long noun phrase and then add a verb at the end. So here's what I want you to do right now. Look around your room, find two objects, maybe a desk and computer. In Japanese, a desk is sukue. The computer is computer. Put no in the middle. Sukue no computer. The computer on or off the desk. It sounds a little funny in English, but in Japanese, this pattern is completely normal. You can do this with anything. Phone and table, book and bag, school and friends. Combine them. Make something real or make something crazy. If this lesson made no feel simple for you, then you are already thinking in Venom pattern. Verbal, nominal. You have just leveled up your nominal side. Next, we will connect this with verb so you can build full natural sentences. So, don't just watch and move on. Type your noun, no noun example in the comment. Then, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next lesson in this Japanese series. Your Japanese will grow much faster when you stop memorizing random words and start building phrases with pattern like this. And if you want to master the other particle that confuse everyone like wa versus ga, check out the video, the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.